sit up? All right, swing that way and tell everybody how you feel.
I feel good.
All right, so you're first. So you want to tell the camera hi?
Yes.
Tell them your name.
My name is Leah and hi.
Hi. So are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we getting done today? Are we doing an adjustment?
Yeah.
Yeah? You gonna tell the camera I'm getting an adjustment today?
Yes.
Tell them. Say, tell them what
Yeah, we gonna submit today.
Yes. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
So remember this little thing we used last time?
Yeah.
So we're gonna put it on your back today. So lay down.
No.
Here we go. You ready? I'm gonna start right here. Ticklish, huh? There we go. I'm gonna do your shoulders. Drop your arms. Let your arms fall. Good.
I want my tablet.
You're doing so good.
I'm not.
We can do your back again, okay? Let's start right here.
Open your
Say
eyes.
blue, 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 blue.
Open your eyes.
Say what?
See the floor.
Yeah, you see the floor? You see my hand? You're gonna see my feet in a minute. That's gonna be funny. Hey, we got one leg a little bit shorter than the other, her right one. Do me a favor, drop your arms.
Drop your arm.
Yeah, just like that. Let them fall.
It's falling.
It's what? It's a little bit like teeny, 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 teeny. All right, I'm gonna touch your back, okay?
Okay.
Remember that clicking thing we did?
Yeah.
Remember, you see this? Remember this? We're gonna do it again, okay? I'm gonna do it right here. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Ah.
That was funny, huh?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh, lay back down.
Down.
Lay back down.
Put your arms down. There you go.
I see my hands. I see my hands.
You see your hands?
Yeah.
How many fingers do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You have 5 fingers. Do it on top of my thumb because
Okay.
it doesn't really need a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
You didn't feel that.
Bruh. Mommy. Mommy.
You want me to fix that for you? There we go. Is that better? There we go.
Bruh. What? I'm not talking to you, Mama.
Girl, help yourself. Sit back. Sit back.
All right, you ready to flip over?
Yes.
Okay, go and flip over and lay on your back. You ready? Go ahead. Flip over.
Flip over and turn
Lay on your
around.
back. Yep. Lay with your head down there on your back. You can lay like that too. That's fine. Flip over. Flip over. Flip
On your
over.
back.
Mm-hmm.
Lay on your back.
Yeah. So I'm gonna touch your neck, okay? You ever heard popcorn? You know how popcorn sounds in the microwave? Yeah. Well, you may hear that noise, okay? But that's perfectly fine, okay? Can I touch your neck? Okay. I'm just gonna touch, okay?
Mommy, run. You got it.
All right, look straight back. Good. Very, very good. Take your hands and go like this. And put them right there. Good. Look who's being such a big girl. Yeah. All right, but you go that way. Yeah. Yay, look at that. Was that cool or was that cool?
Yeah.
Now that was cool. All right, just breathe. Take a deep breath in. There we go. Check one more thing. Lay back down. I'm I'm gonna bring your feet up. Lay straight for me.
What?
Lay straight.
Okay.
Right there. Perfect. All right, we're gonna run in the air slowly. Oh, we are even now, Mom. We are even now, Mom. Can you high five? Oh, look who did so good. Go and sit up. All right, swing that way and tell everybody how you feel.
I feel good.
You feel good? You liked your first adjustment? Yeah, you liked it?
I'll do it again.
You want to do it again? We'll do it next time, I promise, okay?
Yeah,
All right,
y'all want to do
thank
it
you so
again? We can do
much.
it again. We
Thank
can
you
do it
so
next-
much.
Okay.
Now, guess whose turn it is now?
Hi.
It's her
Your
turn.
turn.
They can't hear you. What's your name?
It is Kathleen.
Uh-oh.
And how old are you?
5.
You're 5. Oh my goodness. You're about to be 10 tomorrow. So is this your first adjustment? Mm-hmm. Are you ready?
Yes.
You saw your sister get it done, right?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes. It's gonna be
All
so
right.
fun.
Yes, tell her it's going to be so fun.
So fun.
Is it ticklish?
Yes.
It is.
I feel it.
Yeah, you felt it last time. See? Boop. Mm-hmm.
It's that sickle car, right? No. They're gonna be laughing.
So I'm going to do your legs, okay?
No.
You don't want me to do your legs?
I do.
You do? Okay. Right here is where we're going to start. Right there, okay? It is funny, huh?
Yeah. Give me. Okay, girl. You do that, okay?
Wait, you're laying down.
We're not done for you.
Yes.
All right, now lay down.
That's so
You want to wear
good.
your beads? I think it's her beads.
Here, let me get your beads. All right. Here, pick up your hand. There we go.
I
Lay down.
got socks. I got socks.
Yeah, we got all the beads out the way.
What are you talking about?
All right.
Huh?
Lay down straight. Drop your feet for me.
Okay, you do
Put your
that.
feet down. There we go, just like that. So you see this thing down here? See this?
She gonna show you while you laying
Keep
down.
looking
You gotta,
down.
You gotta lay down.
Keep looking down. Lay face down. Scoot down towards your feet a little bit more. A little bit more. Perfect. Right there. I got your beads. Lay down.
There you go.
So you see this?
Yeah.
Remember we did it last time?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So you're going to feel it.
I can
You
hear myself.
have to stay laying down, Kai.
Yeah.
What you talking about, beautiful? Huh?
Yeah.
Very nice.
You see that there? Has socks. You see that there has socks, KK? You need to wash your mouth.
Girl, Kai's be quiet.
Be still.
Stop.
Be still.
What is that?
My finger.
Huh.
See? That's my finger.
It feels soft. It feels soft. Oh, you would ma'am. Ma'am.
Very nice. Very, very, very nice. All right, you ready to get up?
Yes.
Okay, come on. And I want you to lay with your head right here on your back. Yep, perfect. Just like that. So I'm going to touch your neck, okay? What you scary for? What you scary for? You
Yeah.
ready? I'm going to touch your neck, okay?
Look.
Uncross your feet for me.
Stop.
Lay flat. There we go. I'm just touching. I'm just touching. It's okay. Relax. Relax. Put your head down. See?
I thought I was going to do that.
Yeah,
You
just
gotta lay it
relax.
down.
Just
your feet
relax.
Okay.
Get your head straight. All right, we're going to breathe, okay? Take a deep breath in. One more time. Real slow. Go. Okay, again. Now you're going to turn your head this
Put our hair
way.
off.
Deep breath in. And
Can
out.
mommy have one?
Popcorn. I told you. There it went. Sounded like popcorn, didn't it? Yep. Now let me check.
No.
No more. We're done. And we're just gonna breathe. Just
So many hair.
relax.
Mom,
We are all done.
this boy have so
We're
many
not
hair.
gonna do any more. Cause that didn't hurt really. It just sounded funny, right?
Yes.
Sounded like popcorn, didn't it?
Yes.
So we're all done. We're not gonna do any more. So you're just gonna breathe. Yeah. Breathe in through your nose.
And out.
What's hurting? Don't put your finger in there.
My neck.
Your neck? Oh, I was touching it?
Cause you turned it this way, it was hurt.
Oh, well lay straight.
It sounded like a popcorn.
Sounded like the popcorn, right? So lay straight. Deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth.
Here.
Slow. Slower. Say 1, 2, 3 in. And 1, 2, 3 out. Perfect.
Mama.
All right, well, you did a very good job today on your first day. How do you feel?
Good.
You feel good?
Yes.
Well, tell the camera how you feel.
Good.
Let them know.
Good.
You feel good?
Yes.
You all done?
Yes.
All right, high five.
And bye.
Yeah, yay!
No. Yeah.
Give it back. Give it back.
Now
to
y'all
me.
better not fight all my good work now.
Right.
All right.
You want to come tell the camera Dr. Howell is awesome?
Yeah. It was awesome. It was awesome. Guys, make sure you hit that like button. Hit that like button, gang, gang.
Yeah, you tell them. All right, y'all done. Say bye, y'all.
Bye.